right, so our first video we have here for today, for educational purposes only. Now, uh, I'm giving my commentary and reactions to this body cam footage. We are on Real Body Cam's channel on YouTube. Give them a like and a follow here. This video is called Ex Walmart Supervisor Goes for Tire Service, Gets Taser Service Instead. Oh my god. What up, City T Beats? What up, man? We about to look up some taser foolishness. Hey, I could probably ask him since he was in the military. Um, he felt what a taser felt like before, like through like training. All right, we're gonna get into this here. Fair use, fair use. We do not condone violence towards the police or towards animals or anyone. This is for educational purposes to show my audience what to do and what not to do, and to not break the law. All right, let's get started here. Yeah, they had to get tasered and pepper sprayed training right there. All right, so I'm going to minimize the chat a little bit here, bring it there. Y'all already know what I look like, so I'll just bring that here and bring this. Okay, bring that. All right, let's get started here. All right, are y'all find y'all a chair, have a seat? All right, y'all pay attention now. Y'all might learn something. All right, let's go.
On October 7th, 2023, officers in New Mexico got a call from a Walmart Auto Center manager requesting help removing a customer. Manager called for police after a customer began yelling and arguing with employees after they could not fix his tire. Here's what the officers did next.
So this guy here comes in here raising hell, saying we have tires that we don't have, just like off the wall stuff, yelling at my associates, harassing them. I said, you need to leave. See, we're not doing business with you. You need to go. He's business to you. So no. So what he does, he pulls up here, continues to all my associates, pulls up here and blocks our order. Okay? Saying, oh, you're harassing me. And I said, we're not harassing you. Oh, you're harassing us. What the hell?
All right. Where's he at now?
He's in the store right now. That's his car right there. Look.
Okay. Do you still want him trespassed?
I want him trespassed.
You want him trespassed?
Yeah, absolutely.
And he just went inside the store?
He just went inside the store.
Is he still in the automotive side right here?
Yeah, he just popped in.
Okay. What is he wearing? Was he the bigger? Was he like the larger set guy?
Yeah, larger set guy.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Police department. What's going on? What's going on?
I'm on the phone with Walmart right now.
What's going on?
The base supervisor was a dick.
Okay.
The coach. I pulled up because I had purchased tires online.
Okay.
That said we're available for installation. I came in and they told me they don't have the tires. I said, so price match the competitor.
Right.
Or the comparable tire.
Right.
He told me no, and then he told me to and
He sound like
when
he's drunk.
I tried to, because the guy was helping me, I'm like,
Oh yeah, everyone, please be sure to hit the like button on the way in. It'll help the algorithms and this channel to grow and expand. And I appreciate you all.
no, I'll pay the price difference.
Right.
Because I need the tires. The guy was still a dickhead about it and told his people not to service me.
Okay.
So I'm on the phone with Walmart now, trying to figure out what they're gonna do about it.
Okay. So what? You were coming here for a new tire. I saw that you have a donut on your car.
Yeah, there's 2 tires that need
So you're
to
trying
be.
to get 2 tires?
Yeah, because the back one with the donut, the one across from it has wires showing because it's old and the bushings need replaced. Because I was in an accident where somebody backed into that rear right tire. So I just wanted 2 new tires. I purchased them online.
Okay.
They don't have them. They refuse to price match what they do have.
Right.
And basically he told me to get
Okay. Can we go take a look at your car real quick?
He's gotta be drunk, man. That's a big back right there.
So, this one's showing cable.
Okay.
This one's the one that was struck in the accident. And this one went flat.
Okay.
So I purchased them online and just came to have them installed.
Okay, so you purchased them on Walmart already.
Yeah,
And did they say that they got here?
no.
No.
They said, we don't have those tires because it says they're in stock to be installed.
Oh, okay, so you could show up and just pick them up here.
Yeah.
Buffalo.
So I came when I was supposed to have them installed, and he wasn't having that. And then I told him I was going to call, because I used...
Oh, I see the perfect guys here in the chat. CDT, shout out to you. Dr. X, shout out to you. Hey, if y'all got some funny sound effects that y'all want me to use, it ain't gonna be like a whole bunch of crazy ones or whatever. Just some sound effects for like for the reactions or whatever. You know, you can send them over to me. I appreciate that. I know audio is y'all expertise.
to work for Walmart as this bay supervisor.
Oh, okay.
And I
So
told him I was going to call
it.
HR. He told me, walked off, and I guess called you guys.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you, man?
I don't need to provide it right now.
Okay. Well, we'll get to that in a little bit then. You have the keys to your car on you?
Yeah, don't need to provide any of that right now.
Okay. Do you mind just hanging out with this officer for me for a second? I'm going to go talk to him again, all right?
Okay, I'm going to pull up my Walmart app.
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
Hey, shout out to Miss Chelsea here. She's one of the day ones for this 2025 version of this YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this vertical look going for a while. I've been getting, hey, my numbers been doing good with you guys. Shout out to the pack.
Fucking driving right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a driver's license on you? Because he's heavily intoxicated.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going good.
So we have our WWE team up.
Okay.
So just so that way, if there's any questions, because we saw him driving basically.
Yeah.
You may or may not be subpoenaed.
Okay, of course.
And it's basically all I would say, or all you would do whenever you be subpoenaed, show up and just be like, yeah, he drove in here. And he already told me he drove, but it's just like to add to it, you know what I mean? So drove in here, walked. Alright, once our duty bag gets here and they finish their, because he's pretty hostile already. I don't want to amp him up by telling him he's trespass now. I have it all filled out, but I'll come bring you your copy and then you guys can keep it here and everything like that. Alright? Thank you. Alright. Interesting. So he's trying to figure out something for you, okay? We're just going to hang out for a little bit and see if he can figure something out, alright?
If I have to go over to the and spend my money, I will.
No, I know.
But they've got better priced tires.
Right. And you're already here, and
By the way, my name's Jacob.
Give knuckles.
My brother-in-law is Brian Reese, and if you've been here for a while.
Oh, okay.
I also have another brother-in-law who's a deputy commander for APD.
Nice.
Jeff Barnard.
I think I've heard the name.
If you ask Officer Baca,
Yeah.
he'll vouch for me because he knows me by name.
Oh, okay. Huh? Who's this? Casey? Casey Hidden? Oh.
Shout out to you, Miss Logical in the building. One of my original mods for this channel, this new revamped version for this year. Yeah, we're just checking out some more Taser foolishness and shenanigans. All right, let's continue here.
Why are there 4 of you and 1 of me?
Hi Jacob, how's it going? My name's Officer Barsotti with the Rio Rancho Police Department. We're just here to make sure everything's going okay. So far you're being really good with us, so keep doing that.
Everything is going good. These 2 officers are being great. That's all I really need.
Okay. Well, we're concerned about your driving right now. We want to make sure you get home safe. Would you be willing to take some tests to see if you're okay to drive?
There's no reason.
Okay. So you
There's no reason.
Well, you were saying that you wanted to go home or get service somewhere else, so we just want to make sure that you're okay to drive.
No, I want to get service here and go home. I'm fine to drive. Thank you. I appreciate your concern. I've admitted to my medical deficits, my medicine that I'm on. So at this point, I'm fine. I just want to get tires replaced. They're screwed up. There's wire showing. There's a chunk of metal inside his tire.
Man, he reminds me of like Barney from The Simpsons. Is he slurring to you guys? And how's everybody doing in my chat today? I appreciate you guys coming in and spending time with me. Can I show you guys my? Because I want to be open and honest with you guys too with this channel. I just want to show you guys my what my eligible. I mean, my valid public watch hours as of July 26th, and it's all because of you guys. You guys did this. Here's my hours right here. Look at that. We're already at 1,032 valid hours. And now today is the 31st of July, and this is data taken from the 26th. So we're just gonna keep pushing, and I wouldn't be here without you guys where I am right now. Like I wouldn't be where I am right now without the pack for real. Oh yeah, he is. Yeah, he's speaking a lot of gibberish there too. Yeah, the numbers, hey, my these taser videos, like these reaction videos, they doing high numbers for this channel here. So what I'm gonna do? Oh, and while I got a lot of you guys here, this is my 1,000 subscriber celebration week. This is SummerSlam weekend, you all, Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna be doing different shows throughout the days. We're gonna do a watch along, SummerSlam watch along, and do some drawings with you guys. Just come on and kick it with y'all. Yeah, yeah, Rainmaker. That's my buddy right there. Hey Rain, I'm gonna give you a wrench anyway, just because it's only right. Yeah, yeah. It's all because of you guys. Yeah, I appreciate that, Coach. Yeah, I remember you from way in the beginning. Oh, salute. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. All right, we're gonna get back to the videotape here. I said, take that, take that. All right, let's move along here.
I'm on medicine.
Make
I'm
sure you hit that
fine.
like button on the way in.
Okay, when
Please
did you last
subscribe.
take your medication?
Hey, if y'all are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're gonna keep moving forward with this channel and become bigger and greater.
About an hour and a half ago.
Okay.
So, you're not needed at this point. These two officers are doing great. So, you have a great day.
Jacob, just one more thing. How much have you had to drink today?
I can't touch or drop. My liver is dead. So, I have to take medicine to support my liver. Thank you for asking.
You sound drunk as hell, man.
At this point, you're not a necessity. You're a hindrance. These two were already doing great before you showed up. So you have a nice day.
Okay.
Find out if he's going to do the fields. If he's not going to do the fields, we can move forward. We're not going to sit here and he's not in control of the situation.
Correct. So, if you're not willing to do the fields,
Wait a
we're
minute.
gonna.
I'm not in control of the situation.
Most certainly not.
I am an individual with rights. Am I not?
You are.
Yeah.
And we are
That
police
dude's
officers
done,
with
man.
responsibilities.
Oh, you are a police
Jacob.
officer
Jacob.
with responsibility.
Jacob, just listen to me. Are you willing to take the test to see if you're okay to drive or not?
No, because there is no necessity to do it. I was not pulled over for
All right, Jacob, go and
necessity.
turn around for me.
No, I will
Jacob.
not.
Jacob, turn around. Give your hands.
No,
Oh, Jacob.
no, no. I will not.
You sound like Peter
Jacob,
Griffin.
turn around. Make it easy for us. Come on.
We don't want to have to use any more force than we just need to. How about we just cooperate?
No.
Hey, listen, you were talking.
Hey, who watched Family Guy in here? I know some of y'all. I know somebody in here watched Family Guy. Like he sounded like a drunk Peter Griffin when he kept telling them no. He's like, no, no. Oh my god, man.
Jacob, you're doing really good with us. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Jacob,
I'm
if
still
you do
being
not
good.
comply, you will be tased. If you do not comply, you will be tased. This is your third and final warning. If you do not comply, you will be tased.
On what basis?
Turn around and
Turn
put
around,
your hands
Jacob.
behind your back.
I
Jacob, turn
asked
around.
on what basis?
Turn around and put your
front of
hands
the-
I asked on what basis?
Taser, taser, taser.
He's still trying to fight it too.
I asked on what basis?
Taser, taser.
I asked
Turn
on
around,
what
Jacob.
basis?
Get a hook.
It's blocking me. It's blocking me, dude.
There we go. There we go.
We
You got a
ain't
hook.
doing nothing to him,
got one.
man.
I asked what the basis was.
You're under arrest for DWI.
Yeah, bring me a supervisor, please. I asked what the basis was 3 times before you tased me. I am not dropping the phone because he's currently recording.
It's okay, let's record it. We'll just put it on the thing.
Did you just interfere with communication?
No, I did not. I removed your phone. Stop, dude.
You
Stop, listen.
interfered
Mr.
with
Zimmerman.
communications.
You've been talking. You were talking to us, right? Hey, let's calm it down. All right.
He interfered with.
Hey, let me see what's going on in the chat, man. Hey, shout out to the pack, man, because we got some funny people up in here. Let's see what's going on. I don't want to miss nothing. CDT Beats. Hey, we have to do it like a little collab or something, man. I like beats. You know, beats make the world go round, man. That look like a training video. What else? He's slurring and glowing. Oh, you mean growling? Yeah, it's like they trying to tase some cattle. All right, let's go.
He just took
Communication.
your phone.
That's a felony.
He just took your phone because he.
That's a felony.
As of right now, you are under arrest. Okay. So you were told many times to comply. You were actively resisting.
I asked. I wasn't actively resisting. I asked the basis.
8171, 89.
Did I not?
You were not putting your hands on your back, and we had to physically struggle with you whenever we were trying to get your hands behind your back.
I asked the basis.
143.
I want a supervisor. Okay. I am standing up. Jesus Christ, where's my phone? Why is it not recording this?
All of us are wearing body
Why
cameras.
is it not recording this? Did you throw it across the hood so it can't record this?
You good on the left side?
Yeah, you're good. Ah, God damn it. My
Hey, man, this dude is a real life Peter Griffin, man. I'm telling you. This dude is like a real life drunk Peter Griffin from Family Guy.
wrists are killing me.
Okay, well, we're gonna set you on the curb.
Can I turn around and lean against the car? I hurt right now.
You can either stand or you can stay on the curb.
I'm gonna lean on the car. You can both hold my arms. I just need you to switch arms.
You're gonna.
I'm not going to. I'm just gonna turn around. Okay. And I hope somebody can remove these darts from me. Yeah, because I have heart problems.
Can't touch a drop of alcohol with a bottle of vodka in his pocket?
You went right after me because I'm a white guy?
No, I went right after you because you're resisting arrest.
Man, this is weird.
No, I was
Hey, you heard what he said? I'm not used to hearing that, man. Hey, Chelsea. I'm not used to hearing that. He was like, "Are you going after me because I'm a white guy?"
A bottle of vodka in his pocket?
He's playing the white card. Couch.
You went right after me because I'm a white guy?
No, I went right after you because you're resisting arrest.
No, I was asking what the problem
You
was.
were resisting arrest. You were given
we'll see
several
what you're.
Oh, okay. So that's the cop right there. He was talking to. He's not white. Oh my God. Hey, hey, CDT. He's not.
A chest cam says.
It's a
And
body
my
cam.
video says.
It's gonna say exactly what I just told you.
No.
Yeah, he looks Middle Eastern.
I asked on 3 separate occasions what the issue was.
We
And
explained
all
it to
you said was, taser, taser, taser.
I didn't say it that fast. I actually said it slower to give you more of an opportunity to
No,
comply.
you didn't. Taser, taser, taser.
Yep. It's a requirement before a taser is deployed to take someone into custody.
Can you yank this barb out of my stomach and my
No, we can't
chest?
take those out. We have ambulance coming. We can take them out.
What's your name?
Hey, Coach, you wild, man. He said cattle prod his ass. Oh man. Hey, this dude kind of funny though, man. But being drunk out in public is no laughing matter, folks. Do not be publicly intoxicated. Let's continue.
Jacob Zimmerman.
Jacob Zimmerman?
Yep.
All right, Jacob. Do you have any complaints right now?
Yeah, I've been assaulted by rear end PD.
Are you in any pain?
Yes, I am.
Where's your pain?
My heart and my stomach.
Heart in your stomach. Okay. Do you want us to take some vital signs on you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because that's all I have. That's why I asked for an FI. No, that's perfect. Cool.
Is there anything you feel you need to help me with?
Right now, do you have any complaints or any requests?
He tased me for no fucking reason.
All right, you have to take that up with
Absolute reason.
I went down on the report.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna pull these tasers out, okay? It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt for a second. We'll just do it
Yeah,
quick, all right?
the fish hooked.
Yeah.
And then I'll have you put them in the bag.
That way.
And then before you guys do that, can I just... All right, so I'm going to take some pictures of your injuries, okay? So I'm going to have him lift your shirt up. Sorry.
Yeah. So I'm
Did you have one on
definitely
that side?
suing
You got one right here.
Oh, right
because
there,
I
okay.
didn't drive a fucking car, but yet I had somebody
Good.
fucking tase the shit out of me.
You did it for no reason.
You did, my friend.
Huh?
Not all the way, like static. Take care of business. Let us know if you guys need anything.
Well, I'll try to.
Thank you.
Have a door.
I didn't even drive here. I just asked them to fix my car.
To the hospital to start a med clearance.
You know, you need to take him down there?
No.
Take a seat. I'm gonna take you to the hospital, man.
Hey, I just want to say I appreciate everybody that's hanging out with me right now. Like I have people in my chat right now that could be doing something way more productive than being here right now. Like Chelsea, she could be doing her football content editing. CDT, he could be making some new beats right now. He might be doing some beats right now. But I got people that be I got people that come and watch me. They have me on the TV while they're working. I mean, while they're cooking, or they just have me on another device and stuff in the background just to keep the show running. And I appreciate all of you all, like for real. Like I wouldn't be here right now if it wasn't for the pack here. Hey, salute, Derek. Hey, this guy Derek right here, man. Funny guy. All right, let's get back to the tape, y'all.
This is bullshit. Before it gets deleted.
Just watch your foot. I don't want to mess up your foot closing the door.
I'm not worried about my foot. My ankle hurts.
Okay, well, I can't close it with your foot there.
I'm trying to bring in.
You know,
Okay, thank you.
I need any pictures drawn. I got my pictures and stuff being played right here. That's done by me.
I'm here to try to speed it up a notch because it might freeze up and start over.
Fan here.
Yeah.
There it goes. Wow.
Okay.
My bad, y'all. I wasn't paying attention. Did I miss something? Oh, I'm gonna rewind it back. You know, I always got to give good customer service to my viewers here, and you know, I'll be multitasking. I'm just gonna run it back just in case you all had missed anything.
Before it gets deleted.
All right, he's in.
Just watch your foot. I don't want to mess up your foot closing the door.
All right,
I'm not worried about my foot. My ankle hurts.
Okay, well, I can't close it with your foot there.
I'm trying to bring in.
Okay, thank you.
All right, they're going over
I'm here to try to
surveillance
speed
footage
it up a
now.
notch because it
And
might
the cop
freeze
is
up and
actually
start over.
recording.
Yeah.
There it goes. Wow.
Okay. Okay.
Sit there for a minute.
Alright, that's all I need.
Okay, perfect, my man.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
See you, man.
So they I just saw him park the car the wrong way. Yeah, salute to you, Death the Reaper. I appreciate you, man.
Huh? Go. I'll go when we get in. Okay. I'm gonna adjust this cuts because I think they weren't double locked. They're behind him.
Dude, leave your gloves off. You help me. I'm not gonna come against you.
How are you gonna maneuver yourself out of the?
I'm gonna try to.
Okay.
But every time I turn my right wrist,
No rush, Jacob.
there's pain.
Okay. Once we get you out, I'll adjust the handcuffs. Make sure they're more comfortable for you. Okay.
Ask this guy. I didn't argue with him. I didn't fight with him. I didn't do shit.
You're being cool with us.
It was the officer that responded after them that assaulted the out of me.
Okay. Let's get you out. You able to get out?
I'm trying.
Okay.
I really
Your foot's
am.
almost there. You're like 6 inches.
Yeah,
from the ground.
you gotta give me a second because I
I'll
gotta
bring you
push
over.
with my
There you go.
arm.
There you go.
You have no proof that I ever drove a vehicle, correct?
Go ahead and step out. Like this officer said, Ken.
No.
It's debatable later.
Now.
Here, I need you to stand up. I'm gonna loosen the handcuffs for you, okay? I just need you to turn face away from me.
Now. You have no reason.
Hey, so we're not the arresting officers. We just transported you here to get you medically cleared, okay?
He was one of the
I was there.
arresting
I was there.
Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Jacob Zimmerman. I want to call to my attorney. Now. Now.
I can't do that right now. I don't have your phone. Well, you're not going to keep demanding stuff from us, okay? We have to get you medically cleared, and then we can take you over there, all right?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we're at this point refusing contact with legal counsel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cool.
I'm gonna tell you right now that you can't have your phone while you're in the hospital.
That's BS, because I was in here not too long ago. I was allowed my cell phone.
Alright, Jacob. Like I said, I'm Antonio, I'm one of the paramedics. I'm gonna take you back to the provider, okay? As far as legal processes and stuff like that, that's gonna be on hold for now. We're gonna check your medical status first.
It can never be on hold.
Alright, well, it is gonna be on hold for this special occasion.
That doesn't negate legal. I'm sorry, Haney, but I'm requesting legal counsel. Abernathy. Face me?
Yeah. Okay, appreciate you.
I'm requesting legal counsel.
Hey, Mr.
that are
Zimmerman.
saved into my phone.
Hey, you should know that that's not something we have to provide to you right now. You're placed under arrest. We're here at the hospital getting you cleared, and you'll get your phone in a little bit, okay?
Appreciate the support. I appreciate Mr. Derek. Hey, salute! I appreciate that, man. Thank you for the donation. Salute to the chat, and thank you everybody for showing up right now. I appreciate you all. Let's continue.
Actually, you have to provide the income.
Says what?
Says what is the answer?
Yeah, what law is that?
Alright, baby, we're gonna get you to a private room, so I'm gonna have you sit in the wheelchair and I'll get you back.
Hey, sit up.
No, you guys, you're trying to kill me.
Hey, Jacob.
We're gonna...
Hey, my name's Luke. Hey, don't yell at me.
I'm not gonna yell at you. I'm yelling at these guys because of what they've done.
I know. Okay, so let's just you and I talk, okay? My name's Luke. I'm a physician assistant. I'll be taking care of you, okay? Can we do a breathalyzer? I know you said you didn't drink, and so I want to just make sure.
Okay? No, I'm not doing a breathalyzer.
Okay, well I
can't. I do not submit.
Okay. I can't help you if you don't comply with me.
I am giving you the information, but I do not submit.
So what do you submit to?
I submit to regular testing. Nothing alcohol based.
Me knowing if there's
My
alcohol
chest.
in your system.
I don't care, Doc.
Did you use any drugs today?
This guy's goofy,
No,
man.
I don't do drugs.
Okay, I'm just asking.
I've had fluid removed from my stomach.
That's great.
I bought one bottle today and didn't even touch it because I wanted it as a symbol of something from my old life.
So, okay.
I'm not going into restraints.
You're not? No, but they're there for us in case.
In case you need them? In case you need them? Gotcha. So, put them all in.
Hopefully you don't have to.
Oh, no. I'm fine. Okay, so which one of you two is stuck with me until 1 o'clock in the morning?
Both of us.
Both?
Alright, well that's...
1 o'clock. Is that the time I told you?
No, this is Rest Medical.
Yeah.
They're here until 1 a.m. Off of bullshit charges.
So the blood work's all coming back. Okay. So we're gonna discharge you to whatever they are doing. Okay.
No, you're not. I'm gonna run away. The right one.
Good.
Well, I'm good as I'm done.
said everything looks good.
Oh, well,
That's a good sign.
7 people. Hey, y'all hit that like button on the way in. Hit the likes. Hit the likes. Hey, hold on, mods. I appreciate all my mods here. If y'all need anything from me, just let me know.
All right, they left the door open for me.
All right.
The suspect was charged with resisting an officer and aggravated DUI. The suspect pleaded not guilty to resisting an officer in court, but the court later dismissed the charge. He pleaded no contest to the remaining charge of aggravated DUI and was found guilty. The court ordered him to attend DUI school and serve community service. The suspect was also ordered to install an ignition interlock device in his vehicle.
Oops. All right. So what's going on, y'all? What's good? What's good?